Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. I am so glad you could make it. Today we have an unboxing. If this is the first time you're ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have a handbag unboxing. It's been so long since I've done one of those on this channel, but if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider click the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, hi, hello everyone. How are you doing today? I do have an unboxing. This is kind of like a reveal more than like an actual unboxing. I will be showing like what fits inside the bag. This is a handbag, of course. Now it is from Coach. Coach is kind of hit or miss for me. There have been some bags that I have liked a lot. There have been other bags that I sent back immediately. So this one I'm very excited for, and full disclosure, I have already seen it. This is not like a true unboxing or a blind unboxing or anything, but I really wanted to show you guys and sit down and do an unboxing. So without any further ado, here is how it came. So let me just open this up and show you the bag, and then we'll go into like what fits and the story time behind this bag. Not really story time, but you know. But let's open her up first. It says Coach. And then here is the dust bag. And then inside, it has a little card from Coach, and then it says, "Thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase," kind of thing. So now, here is the dust bag. Now, I want you guys to like comment down below what you think this is, because this, I believe this is a new bag. Either it's like a vintagey type bag that's been like re-released, or it's just like a new bag. So this is the first time that I've seen this one on the website, and the first time I saw this one in particular, it was sold out. So I set my notifications for when it came back in stock, and it came back in stock, and I'm so excited. So here is the dust bag. Oh, okay. That was not very satisfying. Let me do it again. There we go. So we have a strap here, so I'll leave that. But then you guys, you're not even ready. Are you seeing this? Okay, let me put the strap on because I feel like you need, oh my God. Can you see that? Oh my God, let me put the strap on so you guys can see everything in its like glory here. Like I said, the second I saw this bag, I wanted it, and then it was sold out. So I turned my notifications on, and they texted me like 3 days ago, and they said that it was back in stock, and I ordered it immediately. I did. This is the Hamptons Hobo bag, and it's in crystal. Can you see this? It has crystals on it. I'm obsessed with this. This is so cute. Like, I feel like Coach really nailed it with this bag. And it is in the signature jacquard print, which I believe that is the CC print right here, like the jacquard print. So it also has this like Gucci Jackie kind of thing going on, because it has like this horse fit clasp in the front here. I'm obsessed. Let me take the padding out, like the stuffing out, because she was really nicely packaged when I first opened her. So here is what she looks like on the outside. There's the front. I still have the tags on, so just disregard that. There's the side. Here's the other side, and then the back. So I'm not entirely sure what this is, if this is like canvas and then it just has like a few leather pieces up top. Let me check, because it could just be like canvas, because I know that these parts are leather, but I don't know what else it is. Signature jacquard and gloved tanned leather, and then fabric lining. So jacquard, I don't know if jacquard is also a leather or if it's like a fabric material, but we do have a bunch of leather as well. We have leather on the shoulder strap, we have leather on this part right here, we have leather on the corners, which I really like because the first thing to go in a handbag are the corners. So I really like that they put leather on the corners to help protect the bag. And then when you open it up, it does have a zipper, and it's a very smooth zipper, like very, very smooth. That's like butter, I tell you. And then on the inside, it's like a fabric lining, and this is what it looks like. If you can see that on the inside, it has like a snap pocket right there to where you can snap it shut. And then it has a slip pocket right back here. And then that's it. The rest of it is a big open space. This bag does have silver hardware. I usually don't do silver hardware, as you know, but it doesn't come in any other hardware color. I wish it would have came in gold, but maybe for the sparkles and like the color of the leather and just the color of the bag, maybe silver does just work better with it. This is so cute. Now, one thing you're gonna notice is that it doesn't have a crossbody strap. So it does not. It is basically only a shoulder bag. So it does not have a crossbody strap. I'm sure that you could get one if you wanted to, because this strap right here, the shoulder strap, does fully come off. So you can change the strap if you want, but I don't know if you're gonna want to do that because it's not like it's a D-ring or anything like that, and you can put whatever strap you want to. It's like literally a belt buckle. So I guess you could clip on whatever strap you wanted, or you could get like a different belt strap like this, but then it wouldn't match the color of the bag. So I feel like this is gonna be your best bet, but I guess you could get a crossbody strap. Maybe Coach sells a longer version of this to where you could just make a crossbody. So that would be cool if they did. It also has the dog tag, right? Oh my God, does it not have the dog tag? Did it come loose? I thought it had the dog tag. It does, it came loose. Oh no. I don't know what happened. Because that's like Coach's like big thing, the dog tags. Okay, that was easier. So now let me figure out where it was supposed to go. I think it's supposed to go right over here. Okay, I got it back on. There we go. It does have the cute little dog tags. And then it has two on here. One says Coach and the other one says the Hamptons Hobo Limited Re-Edition 2005. I knew it was like a re-edition kind of thing. I was like, this looks way too Y2K for it to not be a re-edition. So, I love this. It's so cute. I'll also have the link down below because it's currently still in stock. So if you want to shop this line, I'll have the link down below for you. But yeah, so this is the overview. Let's go into the measurements. So the length of this bag is 10.5 inches long. It is 8.5 inches high, and it is 2.5 inches in depth. So it's not the biggest bag, but it's also not the tiniest bag either. I mean, I do think you'd be able to fit a relatively decent amount of stuff in here. Maybe they come in different sizes as well. I'm not entirely sure. The handle here, the strap drop, is 10 inches at the longest setting. So I have mine on the middle one right now, which I think this is pretty good. Like, this is a pretty decent strap drop. I could go up one more just in case, like if I ever, well, this is fine, honestly. I'm just afraid this is gonna fall off my shoulder, but we'll see. You do have 3 different adjustments on here, but yeah, like I said, no crossbody strap. Oh, it actually tells me the jacquard fabric. I found it. It is a blend of 63% recycled polyester and 64% regenerative cotton. So there's that. Now let's go into what fits in this bag, because I need to go grab my bag because I forgot to bring it here. Okay, so I got my other bag, and you guys, you best believe I'm gonna be doing a comparison between my Celine Ava and the Coach bag at some point. So this is the one that I'm currently wearing right now. So let me take everything out of her. I have my mini pochette accessoire. I don't know what all is going to fit in here, so I'm just gonna kind of start putting things in and then we'll see. Now, I don't think that this bag is going to be like the most spacious bag ever, but so I got that in there. Here is my wallet. Okay, so even with the mini pochette and my wallet, it's already taken up like a decent amount of room. It's not terrible. I do have like another side. Can you see that in there? So let's see, on the other side, I can probably fit my AirPods. And I do usually have like a hand sanitizer, but I left it in the bedroom. And then I have my keys that can just kind of go in there like that. And then the last thing I went to grab are my sunglasses, just in case. I do like to carry these with me, but usually I would just kind of put them here. You know, if I'm not wearing them, they're just gonna go right there most of the time. But just for fun, let's see if it does fit in here. And I don't like to shove my sunglasses in my bag because I don't want them to like get damaged. Oh my God, it does fit, look at that. So all of that in there, my mini pochette accessoire, my wallet, my sunglasses, my AirPods, and my keys. So that's 5 things, and that fits in here perfectly, no problems. And if you don't carry AirPods or, oh, actually, I should fit my phone. I know a lot of people want to see the phone because a lot of you carry your phone in your bag. I don't carry my phone in my bag most of the time because I usually just carry it in my pocket. So with my phone, so I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I don't think I'm gonna be able to carry this. So let me put my phone in here first. Yeah, so my phone in there, with my wallet, the mini pochette is not going to fit in there. So I got my phone, I have my wallet still in there. So I can put like my little mirror in here. I can put my headache medication. I have a little tampy that can just sit on top. My keys again, they kind of just go off to the side, and then my AirPods can sit on top. So that still fits everything. It won't fit the pochette because the pochette is just, it takes up too much space. But if I take everything out of the pochette, it still fits. So I think I can fit pretty much the same amount of stuff from the Celine bag. I do think I can fit more in the Celine bag because the Celine bag is definitely thicker, like it's wider. So I do think that I can fit more in the Celine, but the capacity in this little guy is not bad at all. Now it does get heavy. This is pretty heavy. I don't know if it's gonna be heavy on my shoulder once I put it on. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty heavy. The Celine bag, I don't know what it is, but the Celine bag just never gets heavy. I don't know if like the weight distribution is a lot better. I don't know. This one is kind of heavy, but it does fit everything that I needed it to fit, except for my sunglasses. I didn't try to put my sunglasses on top with everything else. So let me see if they will also fit. It's like I said, I don't want to like shove my sunglasses in here. Okay, they do. They do fit, which is crazy. Like it actually has a lot of room, and it doesn't like bulge out or stick out or become deformed or anything. It still looks normal, which this is awesome. I'm very pleasantly surprised with how much this will fit. That has been my first impressions, my unboxing of this new Coach bag. I'm honestly in love with this. I think this is so cute. This is just so fun. It's very Y2K, and I think you can wear this pretty much any season as well. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you also got a piece from the 2005 re-edition. If you also got the crystal one, let me know, or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.